In a world increasingly aware of the environmental impact of our choices, the concept of recycling fashion has emerged as a vital solution for creating a sustainable wardrobe. The fashion industry is notorious for its wastefulness, contributing significantly to landfills and carbon emissions. However, by embracing the idea of recycling fashion, we can not only declutter our closets but also make a meaningful contribution to the health of our planet. This guide presents 20 innovative ways to breathe new life into your old clothes while promoting eco-friendly practices. 1. Donate to charity shops. One of the simplest ways to recycle fashion is by donating your unwanted garments to charity shops. This not only helps others in need, but also supports various charitable causes. Many charity shops have textile recycling programs in place, ensuring that items that cannot be sold are still processed responsibly rather than discarded. This small act of kindness can have a ripple effect, benefiting both the community and the environment. 2. Take-back schemes. Another effective method is to participate in brand take-back schemes. Many fashion retailers, such as H&M, have implemented programs where customers can return old clothing in exchange for vouchers or discounts on future purchases. This initiative encourages a cycle of recycling, promoting sustainable shopping habits while incentivizing consumers to think twice before tossing out their clothes. 3. Upcycle your wardrobe. For those with a creative flair, upcycling offers an exciting opportunity to transform old clothes into something entirely new. Whether it's turning a pair of jeans into stylish shorts or reimagining a worn-out jacket, upcycling not only saves resources, but also allows for personal expression and uniqueness in style. This hands-on approach to fashion encourages individuals to see the potential in what might otherwise be considered waste. 4. Textile recycling bins. In addition to upcycling, utilizing textile recycling bins is a practical option for those looking to dispose of their old clothes responsibly. Many communities have designated bins that accept various types of textiles, ensuring they are recycled correctly. This eliminates the risk of garments ending up in landfills and promotes a more sustainable waste management system. 5. Repurpose as cleaning rags. Old t-shirts can find a new purpose as cleaning rags, offering an eco-friendly alternative to disposable paper towels. By cutting them into manageable pieces, you can reduce waste and save money while keeping your home clean. 6. Create pet toys. Similarly, transforming worn-out clothes into pet toys can bring joy to your furry friends. Braiding strips of fabric can create durable dog toys, while fabric scraps can be stuffed to make enticing toys for cats. 7. Join online reselling platforms. For those looking to declutter their wardrobe while earning some extra cash, online reselling platforms like Depop or Vinted provide an excellent avenue. Selling pre-loved fashion items not only helps recycle clothing, but also fosters a community of conscious consumers who appreciate the value of second-hand goods. 8. Join an event to swap clothing. Attending clothing swaps is another fun way to refresh your wardrobe without spending a dime. These events allow individuals to exchange clothes, promoting a sense of community while reducing the demand for new items. 9. Recycle bras for a cause. If you're wondering what to do with old bras, consider donating them to organizations like Against Breast Cancer. These organizations accept used bras for recycling and use the proceeds to fund vital research, effectively keeping textiles out of landfills while supporting a worthy cause. 10. Compost natural fibers. Additionally, composting clothes made from 100% natural fibers, such as cotton or wool, is another sustainable option. By removing synthetic components, you can enrich the soil while minimizing waste. 11. Create patchwork projects. Patchwork projects offer a creative way to utilize fabric scraps from old clothes. From quilts to tote bags, these projects can transform even the smallest pieces of fabric into beautiful and functional items, showcasing the beauty of recycling. 12. Donate to animal shelters. Similarly, donating old towels and blankets to animal shelters provides comfort to animals in need. demonstrating how recycling can extend beyond personal benefit to help others. 13. Make fabric gift wrapping. Instead of using disposable gift wrap, consider making fabric gift wrapping from old clothes. The Japanese technique of furoshiki not only looks stunning, but also promotes sustainability by eliminating single-use materials. 14. Participate in textile recycling programs. Participating in textile recycling programs offered by companies like TerraCycle can also help ensure that your clothing is recycled properly, contributing to a circular economy. 15. Create art projects. Artistic souls can repurpose old clothes for creative projects, from fabric collages to woven wall hangings. This not only showcases individual creativity, but also highlights the potential of textiles that may otherwise be discarded. 16. Make reusable shopping bags. Additionally, transforming sturdy fabrics into reusable shopping bags reduces reliance on plastic and promotes sustainable shopping habits. 17. Donate to theater groups. Local theater groups often seek clothing donations for costumes, allowing your old garments to take on a new role in the arts. 18. Use as garden ties. Strips of fabric can also serve as garden ties, providing a gentle way to support plants while reducing plastic waste. 19. Participate in circular fashion initiatives. Supporting brands that embrace circular fashion is another crucial step in promoting sustainability. These companies prioritize designing products with recycling in mind, ensuring that materials can be reused indefinitely. By choosing to shop with brands that prioritize sustainability, consumers can drive demand for eco-friendly practices in the fashion industry. Recycling fashion is essential for reducing textile waste, conserving resources, and minimizing the fashion industry's carbon footprint. While challenges exist, such as the difficulty of recycling mixed fibers and the potential use of harmful chemicals in recycling processes, innovative technologies are emerging to address these issues. As the future of fashion recycling unfolds, brands are increasingly incorporating recycled materials into their products, signaling a shift towards a more sustainable industry. Ultimately, recycling fashion is not just a trend. It is a crucial step toward a more sustainable future. By embracing the 20 methods outlined in this guide, individuals can declutter their wardrobes and contribute positively to the environment. Every small action counts, whether it's donating clothes, upcycling, or supporting sustainable brands. So, the next time you consider throwing away an old garment, remember that there are countless creative and eco-friendly ways to give it a new life. Together, we can make fashion circular, ensuring that style never goes to waste.